How's it going, everyone? So we have this hedge trimmer on what's left of the table. Sorry, I'm working on the wife's car, and let me just say it's going to save me about $7,000. Owner of this machine says it's very difficult to start, so much so that I've already had to replace the pull string on it. It was starting to just completely come apart. In fact, yeah, that's the other end of it. I think I threw it away. Anyway, so he said it was very difficult to start, and I think I found out why. This is the color of the fuel that came out of this machine. Now, that's not good. So I took the fuel out, and it's already been primed, and I noticed the color of the fuel is really weird through the primer bulb. So right now I'm just going to prime it like 10, 12 times, kind of just move the good fuel into the carburetor and kind of wash away the bad fuel. There might be a little bit of bad fuel left over, but the majority is going to be good. Then there's non-ethanol with Red Echo Armor Shield or whatever it is. And it's maybe a month old. So let's go ahead and give it a pull and see what happens, shall we? I have no idea how that person or what fuel that person was using, but it was bad. It doesn't smell good either. It just is not good. There we go. Okay. Let's go ahead and do this. Choke is on. Now, I tried starting this earlier. I didn't want to do it on camera because I didn't think I was going to make a video, but I was counting to see how many times I had to pull. I had to pull 21 times, and that was yesterday. So, and when it did run, it barely ran. So I thought it was a carb problem until I looked at the fuel. I think it does need a little bit of a tune on the low end. It runs. And how many times was that? 5? And put in perspective, I ran that early yesterday morning, and let's see, it's been at least 30 hours. It's 29 degrees outside, super cold, and it runs just fine. So, pretty sure it was bad gas. I know I made videos on this before, but it seems to never come across how many times this happens. This is a quick and easy fix. If you are ever concerned about it, look at the fuel. If you are buying mix, then look at the color of the mix. If the oil's blue, it should be a tint of blue. If the oil's red, it should be a tint of red. It should not be green, and it should not be like a brown. I don't know what color that is, to be honest. I would say it's probably a mixture of both green and brown, but it was bad. If you could only smell it, I wouldn't want you to smell it. It smells pretty bad. Ugh. Anyway, good, fresh fuel. Take it out, prime it like 12 times, not 4, and it should be ready to go. So this is a quick little video. I literally didn't have to do anything except, well, minus the pull cord, of course, but if you don't have a pull cord problem, then you won't have to deal with it. Take the fuel out, dispose of it, however you want to do that. I'm not going to tell you how. And put in good, fresh fuel, and whatever tank you use to fill that up, discard it. It's not long for this earth. So go ahead and just do that. No carb purchase, no gasket purchase, no nothing. Good, fresh fuel does wonders for these machines. I'll go ahead and leave you at that.